Hi, welcome to NonnaPaolone.com. I'm usually behind the camera, but today I am in front of the camera because I want to help my mom out. So today we're making potato salad, and I'm using red potatoes. So 5 red potatoes, and I've washed them all, and now I'm gonna peel the skin off and dice them up. Nonna usually likes to use a knife, but I'm gonna use the peeler. But you haven't seen us in a couple, we've been MIA for a couple of months because I ended up getting really sick back in February. It started in February, really. And then by April, I ended up getting diagnosed with stage 3 pancreatic cancer. Ended up getting surgery, getting the Whipple surgery. Currently, I am NED, so I have no cancer in my body because the surgeon, thank you God for listening to everybody's prayers, and thank you for everybody who prayed for me. They removed 30% of my pancreas, 10% of my stomach. They removed my gallbladder. It was in the duodenum, I think that's how you pronounce it, and so they had to remove that too, redo my intestines. So, you know, I have a new system going on here, and my diet has changed completely. I don't eat out anymore. I can't eat out anymore. And so I strictly eat Nonna's everything that Nonna makes for me. She's been so good, okay? And I started chemo 6 weeks after my surgery. So I have a total of 12 rounds of chemo. And on Wednesday I go in for chemo number 9. And then I just have 10, 11, 12, and I'll be all done. Woo! And usually my blood work is very low when it comes to potassium. And so the trick with, if you have low potassium, not a trick, it's a known fact, you eat a lot of potatoes. So I've been eating a lot of potatoes, and my favorite potato that my mom makes, Nonna, is the potato salad. Her potato salad is so simple. So most of my food now is plant-based, and I eat home only. So Nonna cooks for me, like when I'm on chemo week, she makes me minestrone soup, which is so healthy. Pastini, you know, little soups, you know what I mean? I'll get those recipes for you, because if you're going through chemo like me, that saves me a lot because I get sick a lot. So that is my status. That's why you haven't seen us. So, but we're glad to be back, and so I put up a few more videos. Only on my good weeks am I able to do this kind of stuff. And so during those good days, I'm gonna start doing more Nonna Paolone videos, especially, you know, if you're going through chemo and you want to learn healthy recipes, clean recipes that will, you know, get your potassium up or your iron up. Nonna Paolone makes the best beets. You know, she boils them too, so I'll get that too. So that's what I have to worry about, my potassium and my iron and my protein. And if you want to follow my journey through cancer, you can follow me on Instagram. I think my Instagram is @Paolone, because I post a lot on there. Not that much, only when I have like a milestone. I got 5 red potatoes. Like I said, I wash and clean them. I'm going to skin them because I can't eat foods with the skin on it because it can be dangerous, because I have a low immune system because of the chemo. You know, this one where I have these spots, I like to cut them out too. I think they call it the eye of the potato, I don't know. So it can be nice and clean potato. Now that I peeled all my potatoes, I'm going to dice them up in equal parts, all of them. Okay, here are all my potatoes all diced up, and I cut them into like bite-sized pieces. So I'm going to fill it up with cold water. I'm going to bring it to a boil, and it's done when you can put the fork through it. But you don't want it too mushy. You want a nice, you know, texture for your potato salad. So not too hard, not too soft. The water has to cover the potatoes. So once it's covered, you put it on the stove top. Here we are. I put it on the stove top, turned it to high. We're gonna bring it up to a boil. Make sure the water is covering the potatoes. And that's it. This has been on for about less than 20 minutes. And you see how it goes nicely through the fork. So it's nice. See how nicely You can grab it with your fork, so it's done. I'm going to turn it off and I'm going to drain it. And it needs to cool off. So I drained them and I'm going to let them sit out for about an hour. They really need to cool down. Okay, Nonna. Show us how you make the potato salad.
Okay.
And you could use any potato, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I use the red potato. Okay, so you put it in the bowl.
In the bowl. Okay, that's the potatoes. Okay, I'm gonna put garlic. Take a cup.
Take a cup.
Okay, I'm gonna garlic. I'm gonna cut piece, small piece.
Give a cup. How many cloves?
Maybe two.
Two?
2 or 3. Well, I like a lot of garlic, so
Me
that's
too.
it.
And garlic's very healthy for you.
I take some onion.
Red onion.
Cut a piece. I put a little bit in here. And the rest I'm going to put in here, the red one. Give us some color.
Okay.
See, you don't like, you don't have to, so.
I like it.
Yeah. I have the fresh onion.
Oh yeah. Do you always put that in there?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I wash up
Cipolla.
Cipolline. Put all of the top one. Put in here that. That's it. Over there. I'm gonna put some garlic. Put in here. A little bit in here. I'm gonna put some
oregano.
Oregano. Okay, I'm gonna put the fresh one. Wait,
Oh, we got fresh ones from our garden.
Okay, I'm gonna put.
Yummy.
I'm gonna put inside there. Just a little, just to give it a tasty. I think it's enough.
Okay.
Some salt. Well, I'm supposed to measure, so but it's okay. Okay, I'm gonna put some oil inside here.
Olive oil. Okay.
You see, they add this, not that much. I'm gonna put some vinegar.
Red vinegar.
Just a little bit. That's it. Then we're gonna beat
the mixture.
Okay, so like just a bit, let you mix it up. And you put it like
And
that.
then pour it on.
I see.
Throw it all in there.
You take the spoon.
And then mix it all up.
You don't put no mayonnaise, nothing.
No, that's why Nonna makes it nice and clean. And if you want to, you can put boiled eggs,
That's it.
peas, but we like it plain.
Beans. Yeah, you
Yeah.
can put beans, that's right.
Yeah, we like it just like this. I need it just like this. Good? Okay.
Yeah.
Larry, this is for me. I'm so lucky to have Nonna. She makes me all the healthy
So
stuff.
you want to put a little bit olive, I don't like to put it. You put it. You taste. You need something else, you put it on. And you could keep, you could do a night before.
The night before, you just put it, you store it in the fridge. This is gonna last me a good 4 days.
Oh yeah, you're going to eat all tonight.
I know, I'm gonna eat it all tonight. But my potassium's low, so I need to.
But eat the banana.
Yeah, I can eat the banana too. And then the next one we're gonna do is beets. Ma, are you done here? I'm gonna get a bowl so I can eat some. Does it need more vinegar?
Perfect.
Perfect. Okay, let me go get a bowl. Can't wait to eat this. It's my favorite potato salad in all of potato salad land. So good. Delicious. Thank you, Nonna.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Put it like this so you keep it.
You're gonna put it in the refrigerator?
Yeah.
You gotta try this potato salad.
There's a lot of it.
Wait, so good?
I think so. Ma, try it.
After.
No, I need you to try it.
Why?
Is it good?
Wait, your mother told you how to do it.
Yes. Nonna showed me how to do it. Ma, tell me if you approve of the way I made this.
It's like the one of your mother.
You're gonna see it.
I made it exactly the way she taught me.
Yeah.
Let's see if she's a good instructor. Good, Ma? I did it.
Well,
See?
I think not the pocket the chip.
And
Well,
a little
exactly.
bit more vinegar? No. It's
Well, that's
perfect.
okay.
It's perfect. Thank you. See, I made it just like
You
Nonna.
beat the thing.
Yes, I did. I did it exactly the way you did it. See, if you follow the instructions, you get it just like the way Nonna makes it.